Tuya customers complete work with Google Assistant certification in a short period, at least 3 weeks, with a low fee and high successful rate. So when you have the certification, you will have the benefit. Like you can have the logo, the latest logo here. When here show the logos, you can put the sales of your product. You can just write powered by Google. It's very useful for you to sell products on Google Assistant. So if you do not have the work with Google Assistant, of course, you are not allowed to use these logos. So after you choose a speak, you have your OEM skills, and you have your product brand specific issue, then you can control your devices through the speaker. I can show you how to use a speaker to control the devices, which is linked in our Tuya apps.
How to use Google Home to command Tuya smart device. Open up Google Home app. Click the button which is on the top right corner. Find the device that you need to add, such as Google Home 0002, then click Setup. Start connecting to Google Home. Then you hear the prompt voice of connection between Google Home and your mobile phone. Click Yes to enter into next step. Help improve Google Home. Choose a location, for example, bedroom. Choose your Wi-Fi network. Connecting to Wi-Fi. Your Google Home is connected successfully now. Select a language. Set up your Google Assistant, then click Next. Get personal results. Choose No Thanks or I agree. Enter your address. Add music services. Enhance your cast devices, then click Next. Google Home connection almost done. Click Continue. This page can experience with interaction with Google Home. For example, Hey Google, play some music. Next, I will show how to link Tuya Smart account to Google Home. First, tap the menu button in the upper left corner. Choose Home Control. Tap the plus button in the lower right corner to search for Tuya Smart Action. Log in your Tuya account. Click Link Now and press Authorize. You can find the devices here which are already connected to Tuya Smart. The following shows how to set a nickname for your device. Click on the device for which you want to set a nickname. For example, set a nickname as Light. The following shows how to use Google Home voice control to command Tuya Smart Light.
Hey Google, turn on the room light.
You got it, turning the light on.
Hey Google, turn the room light to red.
Sure, changing the light to red.
Hey Google, turn off the room light.
You got it, turning the light off.
Okay, so the showing is finished. So you can find it is very easy to use Tuya Smart. When you have the OEM skills, it's very easy to connect your device with the smart speakers. It takes only like 5 minutes. You can control devices through the smart speakers. So next service I will introduce you is the device log storage. You can, after you enable the services, you can logs of online activity devices are stored to the Tuya Smart Platforms data center. You can create the logs in the real time and customize the data reporting type and storage period. And the next is the device operating status analysis. You can mask your device's user duration and power satisfactions. Customers who want to fine-tune management devices and analyze device data and control device alarm informations. I can show you where can you find the two services on our Tuya Smart Platform. You can you can find the when you log in our IoT point tuya.com, you go to date and operation, you can find here all the app informations, when your user informations or your device informations. Okay, let's continue. Next service is about the door lock SMS notification. After you enable the door lock SMS notification services, door lock user can set a temporary password in the mobile Apple's smart door lock control panel and use SMS messages to send them to visitors. This service is available in more than 200 countries and regions, and it is very useful for our customers. Next is Cloud Recipe. The Cloud Recipe provides recipes for users and add more competitive advantage to your products. This is mostly for the customers who sell rice cookers, blenders, sauce finder machines, frying machines, and air fryers. And you can through these functions to get the user behavior. You can analyze your user behaviors and help you better understanding your consumer and improve your products. And next is I will introduce you about the IP cameras services. The first is cloud storage for videos. So customers who develop IPC device or who will sell IPC devices and want to increase their revenues. After you enable these services on the Tuya Smart Platform, Tuya will enable cloud storage for videos or smart cameras under your account. Users can put the services as needed to store IPC videos on the cloud for playback at any time without needing to worry about device damage or poach micro SD cards. And Tuya will periodic status review sharing of the service with you. And for more details about the revenue, how to share between Tuya and our customers, you can contact our business manager or your project manager. Okay, next service is IPC video stream pushing. You can view IPC videos on third-party terminals. It is very useful. Many of our customers want these services, and they just have already opened it. Customers who sell IPC device and want stronger cutting-edge IPC functions. The IPC video stream pushing service push audios and video data of IPC devices to terminal screens, enabling your devices to be at the forefront of the trend. For example, user can view IPC video on Echo Show with a screen. Currently, we support the third-party terminals is like below the Echo Show, Echo Sport, Fire TV, Google Home Hub, Chromecast. After you enable these services, user can see like show my baby room to Echo Show to display the videos in the baby room on the Echo Show screen. I can show you how it works. Yes, here.
How do you make your smart cameras more powerful and competitive? The IPC video stream pushing service pushes IPC collected audio and video data directly to a third-party smart screen speaker. Offers real-time two-way talk. Makes your IPC smarter, more convenient, and easier to use. Helps you get closer to tens of millions of smart screen speaker users across the globe. It is compatible with Echo Show, Google Home Hub, and other third-party platforms. Go to Tuya's BAS platform to enable the service.
Yes, so let's continue. Next, I will introduce you some about the designs. Tuya also support the service like industry design services. The industry design services for smart products provide free supply chain and interworking product appearance. If you have already have a product and you wanted to upgrade the designs, we can help. If you wanted to build a new product, we can also help you to design. And next is app control panel customization. It is very useful. During my working days on Tuya, many customers need these functions. Customers who want to build unique, high-quality apps. Tuya customers control function for your installation hardware, customer design, and development of app control panel functions, layout, colors, models, icons, and all can improve user experience. I can show you what it means. Let's go to our smart platform again. So when you want to first go to our IoT point, tuya.com again, and then choose a product, and you will have free to create product. And when you go to the app panel design here, you will see like here is socket, you can see the design UI here. If you don't feel happy with the user design here, you can here click change. Okay, so you can see a lot of designs here. And if you are not happy with those shown designs, you can then have these functions. You can then contact our business manager or project manager, or you just here, make here, like here, talk here, click here to talk as online manager. Then you will have the your UI customization. So I have finished all the introduce about our my services. So let's start. I will introduce you how you can order a process on our website. First, log in .tuya.com plus VAS and choose the service you needed, like OEM app launch, OEM app upgrade, and then subscribe. And then if you choose a service with fixed price, like OEM app, so you can just like to pay through PayPal. If you choose like the UI design, it will have not a fixed price. Then you can just contact your business manager, leave more future informations. And after you order, the first step is starting user purchase services. If you for OEM app and other services which do not need more information, you can start to use it. If for the services it needs more information, you have to fill more and contact us, and we will have a meeting with you or discuss with you few further informations. Okay, that's all. That's my thanks.
Okay, thank you, Clive. Anyone who had the questions, you can ask our lecturer now. You can unmute yourselves if you have questions, and just talk with us directly.
Or you just can write in the checkbox.
Okay, thank you, Fred.
Thank you.
Okay, if you guys have no questions, our webinar is over, and see you next time. And we will hold the webinar next Thursday. And we will share the PPT video record and the next webinar Zoom link by email next week. Okay. Thank you again. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Good job.